4th class. I am from Ramanapeta. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shalini. I am studying 4th class. Today is 26th January. Various games and cultural programs are conducted in schools and colleges on this day. We are celebrating Republic Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. This is a special day for all Indians. On 26th January 1915, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. We should respect our Constitution. Once again, Happy Republic Day to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.